name is Tina at Deer Run Library, and today we're going to be making sugar scrub with just 3 ingredients, and it's going to be really good on your hands after using all that hand sanitizer. It's only 3 ingredients, like I said. We're going to be using sugar, coconut oil, and some essential oils. First, we're going to put the cup of sugar in the bowl. And then we're going to take room temperature coconut oil. You don't want it to be melted and you don't want it to be cold. You need room temperature coconut oil because you want it to be able to mash. So we're going to take half a cup of that. And we're going to mash this all up. All right, now that you've got that all mixed up, you're going to add your essential oil. I chose lavender because I like the smell and it's calming. Put about 7 or 8 drops of that into your mix. And mix that all up and get that all coated with the essential oil. Once that's all done and you've got that all stirred in together, you're done with your project. You're done with your sugar scrub. So now you're going to take this and put this in an airtight container, and it will stay for about 6 months, and it will keep your hands all nice and smooth. Enjoy!